Hello everybody, this is Freda Stauffer. I have a taste test for you today. My kids are going to taste test the Cheetos mac and cheese, the Cheetos flaming hot mac and cheese, and the jalapeno Cheetos mac and cheese. So we're going to taste test and see how they are. Okay, Mohammed is tasting these Cheetos mac and cheese. Okay, go ahead, babe. Taste and see. How are they?
It tastes like Cheetos.
They do? Mm-hmm. You want to taste it, Zakia?
Yeah.
Let her have a taste.
Okay, you can taste the Cheeto. I'll taste the hot Cheeto now.
I want to sit. Sit on the other chair. I can't
okay.
even hear anything.
It's okay, honey.
Tastes like hot Cheetos.
Does it taste like hot Cheetos? Mm-hmm. Yeah? Okay. Okay.
Now it's time for...
Now
what flavor is it?
The jalapeno?
Okay.
Can you shove the box over here?
Tastes like Cheetos, but with a lot of cheese.
Okay. Yeah, does it taste extra cheesy? So Zakia says that tastes extra cheesy.
Yeah.
Tastes like thin Cheetos, but extra cheesy.
The jalapeno ones just taste like...
Look, I'm gonna eat
Like-
the spicy one.
jalapeno Cheetos.
They do?
I'm gonna eat
Okay.
the spicy one.
Okay. How is it?
Good.
Really? Okay, I'm not putting anyone's face in. Don't want to. Okay, but those are pretty realistic. They taste just like the Cheetos in the bag.
This is the best.
Those are the regular
You like the regular ones the best? Which ones do you like the best, Ali?
I don't know. I've only tried this one. Let me try
You like the hot ones?
Try the... Let Ali try it.
So, which one was your favorite, Mohammed?
The hot Cheeto one by Ali.
The hot Cheeto one, but Ali
This
decided...
is definitely my favorite.
Okay, the boys both prefer the hot Cheeto ones. But the jalapeno ones are okay, right?
Yeah.
And Zakia loved the plain bold and cheesy mac and cheese.
Hassan doesn't want to try.
And Hassan doesn't want to try them.
Okay, so I'm not gonna get to try them because everyone ate them.
Yes.
Because I was busy playing video games.
Mm-hmm.
So, my favorite one was the jalapeno just because it has that like delicious cheesy jalapeno taste because it's like not the flavor of an actual jalapeno. It's like the
Cheesy jalapeno.
cheesy. I can't describe it. It's just good. And this one had no taste. It just had a little bit of heat in your mouth.
Yeah.
This one,
You didn't like that one either.
no, it barely had a taste. So this one is my favorite.
That's your favorite? Okay.
Yes.
All right, so you'll get your own box then.
Yeah, and then you're cool with me actually trying it. Okay.
Okay. Okay, I really, really hope I get a good thumbnail. I'm trying so hard to get a great thumbnail. Sometimes it's hard to get a good thumbnail. But the kids tasted all of them. And they had different favorites. Hassan wants one of those. He tasted all the other kids', so he decided he wants these. The jalapeno ones. Okay, here on the back of the boxes, there's a Mac Hack. They call them a Mac Hack. Cheetos Mac Hack. This one, the plain one, you can do a crunchy me, that extra cheesy, crunchy, and creamy combo. When you top your mac and cheese with your favorite Cheetos snack, you top it with any of your favorite snacks.
Just a little bit more. Just a little bit
Okay.
more.
And on the back of the Flamin' Hot, it says, there's a Mac Hack that says, also try a Cheetos Double Dare. Top your Flamin' Hot Mac with some Cheetos Flamin' Hot Crunchy. I thought that looked like fun for the kids. And then there's a Mac Hack on the back of the jalapeno box, which says, Also, try creating a mac mix. Mix up your mac by adding your own Cheetos Crunchy or Puffs topping. Cheetos Mac Hack. Cheetos Mac Hack. That's cute.
Give me a thumbs up on your record. Okay. So, I'm gonna be eating the jalapeno ones, like I said.
Yes, he's eating the jalapeno ones.
Alright.
Too bad we didn't read the hints on the back before we made it, because we could have added some crunchy topping.
We don't have Cheetos.
No,
Crunchy.
if we'd read it before, we could have had some.
Oh yeah, you could have bought some.
Yeah, I could have bought some to put. That's okay. Taste it and see what you think.
Hold on. Something in there. Oh. Okay. So 3, 2, 1.
How are they? Good
Hold on.
or nasty?
Oh. Delicious!
Really?
Yes!
Very good. That's the verdict. I'm so happy.
Hold on. On a scale of 1 to 10, want to know my answer, what it is?
What is it?
Let's just say 69.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Hold on. You gotta. There's one more thing I need to tell you, just hold on.
Okay.
Alright. What I wanted to say is, to all the viewers watching this, I just want to say, I fully recommend this! 69 out of 10! Do buy, do try, and subscribe! Oh god, my eye, something got in my eye. Anyway, do try, do like, do subscribe,
Thank you very much.
and eat.
Thank you, Hassan. Thank you for watching, everybody. Have a beautiful week. Bye-bye.